So today I want to show you how to add a person onto your SoFi Zelle account so you can go ahead and either send them money or request money from them. Now we're going to be here logged into our SoFi account in our iOS device. Please keep in mind if you have an Android, it might look a little bit different in this process. So what we're going to do is going to be on here on our homepage of our SoFi account, and we can either click on banking down here at the bottom or up here towards the top of the screen. Both options will take us to the same page here. And from this setting right over here, we're going to look down right at the middle of the screen and we're going to see where it says Zelle. So if we tap over here, this is going to go ahead and take us to a new page. Now, this might be the first time you're going into this page, so you might see this setting right over here asking if you would like your QR code. You can go ahead and click on view my QR code if you'd like, but we're going to go ahead and skip that just for now. And that's going to take us to the main page of our Zelle account. And what we want to do is actually go ahead and add somebody into our account. Now, whether we want to be sending them money or requesting money from them, we want to go through this process. So we're going to just go ahead and give the example of sending some money. So we're going to click on send right over here. Now it's going to take us to this page where it's going to have our contact information already here for us. So we have a bunch of emails as well as potential phone numbers from our contact list. Now, obviously these are blurred out, but what we can do is go up here at the top where we can either look for the name, the mobile number, or the email address. So if we go ahead and click right over here, it's going to go ahead and ask us to plug in this information. So I'm going to plug in a phone number and we're going to go through the next step. So once I plugged in the phone number, it's going to ask us to go ahead and continue. So now we're going to click on here. And then in this setting right over here, it's going to ask who this person is. Now this could be a nickname. You can put in whatever information you would like. So if you have like a landscaper that you're paying through Zelle, you can put landscaper, or like a hairstylist, anybody that you really want. You can put whatever name you need here. When you are sending it, is going to confirm that you are sending it to the official name, and I'll show you that in just a moment. So from here, we're going to go ahead and put in the name and click on done. And then right over here, it is just going to have a reminder to be safe when it comes to transferring money to somebody you do not know. So we're going to go ahead and click on next. So next up here, it is now going to have us show right up here at the top. So I did put in my official name, but then you can see here it says enrolled as Dennis. So if you did put in, like, let's say hairstylist or dog groomer, then it would actually still have the person's official name. So you could have, again, that nickname if you wanted. So from here, we're going to go ahead and just show you what we're going to do, which is going to be sending $10 to this person, which is obviously myself. We're going to click on review here at the bottom. And then from this screen right over here, it is going to ask us what this is for. So if you tap over here, you can type in what it's for. You can put an emoji. You can go ahead and plug in whatever you need. If you don't want to go ahead and do that, you're totally fine. You can just click on the send button right over here. And you can see right over here, they are doing one last check-in to make sure that this is the right person you are sending the money to. So if everything looks good, we're going to click on yes. And you can see right over here, it says the payment has been sent. So we had that $10 essentially go to ourselves. So in case you didn't know, you can actually Zelle yourself if you have a different phone number and email address attached to each Zelle account from the banks that have access to Zelle. Now, once you are done, you can click on all done right over here, and it goes back to this main page right over here. You can look at your activities, or you can go back into your SoFi account. Now, there is much more to keep on learning when it comes to utilizing your SoFi account. I actually have my video right up here for you to keep on learning when it comes to utilizing SoFi.